Hi guys, we are on our way to a job just down the road from me. There's a big building site. I've been here before actually. They didn't have the keys to a couple of containers, or somebody forgot keys to a couple of the containers. They couldn't get into their tools or anything, so gained entry. But they've called me again. They got a toilet block that's been delivered with no keys to the cylinder, so we're going to gain entry and change the cylinder. To this on this building site. They've gone off, delivered it, no keys. It's a toilet. Got it with the bump key, guys. We are open. So now, change out this cylinder. Right, got it out eventually. I had to pick it or bump it 4 times. So we want, what's that, 40, 35 I do it, thumb turn. It's actually over length on the inside, so 40, 35 should be fine, so see what we got. We've got something. Don't really have that many thumb turns if I'm honest. What I'm doing 45, 50, 45, 40, 45. What did I say? 40, 35. It might have to be that. Yeah, I think it might have to be that. I found one the same size as what was in there. Still a bit too long, to be fair. Only on the inside, but it doesn't matter. It's just the toilet block for these builders. This is the site that you can't really see, but I've got the ladder, this cylinder in. It's a double throw, so you like to pick it 4 times basically. 4 times with the bump key. All done. That's a bit of a pain in the arse, that job. So the story is that they've had this big building site. They're building loads of flats just down the road from where I live, and they delivered the new toilet block containers and didn't have a key. And the driver apparently posted them off a couple of days ago and they haven't received them. So yeah, we had to gain entry, and the trouble is they're double throw locks, so it wouldn't pick with the pick gun. I was close to just going to get my drill out, but I don't like drilling locks even when I could, even when I can. I just don't like doing it. I think I've said on a previous video actually, I just see it as a you know, there's no pressure there. Even though there was guys wanting to use the toilet, they couldn't use the toilet anyway, because the scaffold platform that they'd erected wasn't safe. They've had to move poles and stuff to do something else. So I had to do that off the ladder as well. Wasn't able to stand on the scaffold. So yeah, so when there's no pressure like that, I still like to just, you know, use all my techniques. I see it all as practice, you know. I've also said in a previous video that I don't use bumping enough, and that I bumped that lock open. I bump it 4 times in the end to get it to unlock. So yeah, there you go. All done though. I'm not doing any more today. My partner's going in hospital this afternoon to have an operation on her leg, so that'll be me for the day. But I'll catch you all again soon. Thanks again for watching. It's only a short one today, but yeah, please like and subscribe as always, and see you on the next one.